Initiatives in various fields are taking place to realize carbon neutral and achieve a sustainable society. At Nippon Chemi-con, we promote the development of key devices that support the creation of an enriched society based on our corporate philosophy of contributing to environmentally and people-friendly technology. Here, we will introduce our solutions based on three themes: factory automation, renewable energy, and energy regeneration. Inverter circuits are essential to achieve energy-saving devices for factory automation. Nippon Chemi-con offers a vast array of capacitors that are suitable for use in inverter circuits. For example, screw terminal type aluminum electrolyte capacitors are required to have a long life and high ripple current tolerance. To address this need, we developed a new product that achieves a maximum 10% increase in ripple tolerance. The RWK Series guarantees a long life of 5,000 hours at 85 degrees Celsius, contributing to higher reliability of inverter circuits. Let's compare the series to conventional products. The allowable ripple current is improved by 8.4%. The RWK Series also achieves a 5 mm reduction in height and lighter weight. In the drive to achieve a carbon-neutral society, expectations for improved inverter performance continue to grow. As the #1 supplier of aluminum electrolyte capacitors, Nippon Chemi-con supports the performance improvement of inverter circuits. Solar power generation systems are essential to expanding the use of renewable energy. The inverter circuits used in these systems require small and lightweight electronic components. Here, we will introduce an inductor we recommend as a solution for common mode noise. Our new common mode choke coil FW Series, which uses nanocrystalline alloy as magnetic material, increases permeability by 50% compared to conventional products. The series also achieves superior impedance across a broad range of frequencies. Let's take a look at the main specifications of the FW Series. As you can see, the FW Series achieves a high inductance feature. Let's look at a comparison of generally used ferrite coils and the FW Series. The FW Series achieves a 54% reduction in volume and a 46% reduction in weight, as well as a 40% reduction in heat generation. We provide single-phase and three-phase products and also accept orders for the series with support bases. Nippon Chemi-con's new products strongly support the development of devices that further expand the use of renewable energy. At a time when various industries are promoting the effective use of energy resources, new devices that conserve energy by combining engines and batteries with other energy devices are beginning to emerge. Our supercapacitors, DL caps, are a key component in this movement. Let's look at a case example of hybrid cranes. Regenerative energy generated upon deceleration when lowering objects is charged to a DL cap, which then outputs that energy to assist the crane's motor. This improves the fuel efficiency of power generated by diesel engines. Using existing drive systems with DL caps to increase energy efficiency is also adopted in other equipment, such as trains and electric forklifts. These initiatives create significant benefits, including CO2 reductions. The rapid charge and discharge feature of the DL cap enables efficient recovery of regenerative energy. The DL cap has a long life of over 1 million charge and discharge cycles, and also supports use in large-scale power charging and discharging. Even a full discharge will not lead to breakdowns or deterioration. We recommend the DXF Series for use in energy regeneration applications. Increasing the rated voltage of the series to 2.8 volt enabled us to reduce the number of parallel connections, making it possible to reduce the size and weight of devices. DL caps are unique for more than just their electrical characteristics. The product also has a superior environmental performance. DL cap electrodes are made from activated carbon derived from coconut shell. The product also uses an electrolyte that does not produce toxic fumes in case of combustion. Therefore, the DL cap is an environmentally friendly and highly safe electricity storage device. In recognition of these features, the DL cap is the only product in the world to be used in brake energy regenerative systems for passenger vehicles. Nippon Chemi-con also designs and manufactures modules with multiple connected cells to suit customer specifications. We also have an assortment of standard modules convenient for experimental production. Please use these modules when evaluating system adoption. Factory automation, renewable energy, and energy regeneration. Today, companies around the world are engaging in efforts to transition from low carbonization to decarbonization. As your best partner for achieving a sustainable society, Nippon Chemi-con will continue to accelerate its solution development.